So I just recently purchased this handle. I'm gonna attempt to put it on. I just literally took it out of the package and take you along with me, see if it's something you can do. Hopefully it's not too difficult. I want to put it right about here, because I think if I hold the weed eater, I think it's pretty good right about there, maybe a little further down. And so we'll see how that works. I'll put it a little further, and comes with this bracket pretty much, and that's it. It's pretty simple. Should be really no issue to put it on. So I'm gonna take these. You have to forgive me, I just finished cutting grass. I didn't have to weed eat last time since I used the edger last week, so everything still looked pretty good, which is kind of surprising because I had the sprinklers on and all the normal stuff. Hopefully this will go on. The DeWalt this is the 20 volt DeWalt brushless weed eater. I don't know what model number it is. It's on here somewhere. Or I'm getting it all tightened up. I think I have it where I need it. And I like these. The housing on this is pretty strong. It looks like it's metal, all metal. And so chances of breaking some deal on here, it's very slim. All right, and then there is a knob right here that you can take and loosen up and then adjust it how you want it. So I think kind of hold it like this, right about there. I'm gonna tighten it right about there. Trick is to have this to where you want to stand all the way up. I think that's pretty good. I might could actually turn it around and have it face this way. Battery seems pretty easy. Seems pretty easy to install. Super, it's only a couple of pieces, and it does come with this excuse me, does actually come with this little instruction manual here, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You do get one long trimmer handle, one clamp, one Allen wrench, and a user manual. So pretty cool. Works pretty good. Just a quick video. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim Air, back at you.
I'll be back.